People don't buy products, okay, but we have seen so many people buying products all the time. If not products, then what do they really buy? They buy better version of themselves. Geoffrey Miller, who wrote a book, Spent Sex, Evolution and Consumer Behavior, says that everything we do in our consumer choices is driven by our primal need to show we are better suited than others to reproduce and flourish. We may not like this unromantic version of Geoffrey Miller about our buying instinct, but we have to admit that whatever we buy is because of one simple fact: the preconception of how the product will enhance us. So it is not about the features of the products, but how the product will make us feel. If you are going to build a storyline for how the product can enhance the customer, go through the following flow. First, customer pain or gains, then product features, then comes the benefit, and then better version of the customer.